Hey traders, are you ready to unlock the secrets behind one of the most popular brokers in the Forex world, XM Broker? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this video is packed with insights that could change the way you trade forever. We'll cover everything from account options and trading instruments to Trustpilot ratings and user experiences. Plus, we'll show you tips that could save you time and money. Stay tuned to find out if XM Broker is the right choice for you. First up, let's take a quick look at XM Broker. It's a globally recognized broker with over 5 million clients, regulated by multiple authorities like ASIC, SISEC, and DFSA. XM offers a diverse range of trading instruments. Whether you're into Forex, commodities, or indices, XM's got you covered. Some key features include a low minimum deposit of just $5, access to over 1,000 trading instruments, and leverage up to 1:1,000 for some traders. Next, let's talk about what actual users are saying. XM Broker has a Trustpilot rating of 2.9 out of 5 from over 400 reviews. While some traders praise the platform's ease of use and low fees, others mention concerns around customer support and withdrawal processes. 3 key takeaways. The platform is praised for its broad range of instruments. Some users have faced issues with withdrawals, and XM's multiple regulators mean extra security for traders. If you've traded with XM, share your experience in the comments below. Let's talk money. With XM, you can fund your account using various methods like credit cards, e-wallets, and even bank transfers. The minimum deposit is just $5, making it accessible to almost everyone. But here's where it gets interesting. XM covers withdrawal fees for amounts over $200, but for smaller amounts, you might face fees depending on your withdrawal method. Pro tip: always check the withdrawal conditions based on your region. XM offers a variety of account types to suit different trading styles. From the micro account for those starting out to the XM Ultra Low account with lower spreads, there's something for everyone. Leverage is another huge plus at XM. While some clients can access up to 1:1,000 leverage, it's important to remember that this varies by region due to regulatory restrictions. For example, traders under EU regulations are capped at 130 leverage. So, know your region's rules before diving in. One of the biggest factors that set XM apart is its regulation by top-tier authorities like ASIC, SISEC, and the DFSA. This means XM has strict rules to follow, giving you more peace of mind. They even offer negative balance protection, so you'll never lose more than what you deposit, no matter how volatile the market gets. Worried about safety? Let me know in the comments. According to user feedback, XM's trading platforms, including MetaTrader 4 and 5, are mobile-friendly, offering seamless functionality whether you're at home or on the go. But some users feel customer support could be improved, especially when handling more complex issues. So, if mobile trading is key for you, XM offers great compatibility across devices. So, is XM Broker the right choice for you? With its broad range of instruments, flexible deposit options, and high-level regulation, it's definitely a solid option for many traders. But as always, make sure to consider both the pros and cons before you decide. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for future content. Next week, we'll dive into a comparison between XM and other top brokers, so stay tuned.